Hi guys, we're going to do another at-home experiment with my two little assistants.
Hello.
Okay, so what we're making today?
Elephant toothpaste.
Yeah.
Elephant toothpaste.
Elephant toothpaste. Okay. So there's only 3 main ingredients to this one. The best one, I'll put links to the Amazon bits and pieces in this one if you want to give it a try. So we've got hydrogen peroxide, which is our oxidizer.
Yeast.
Okay. There's yeast that you basically use for bread making and all sorts of things.
And fairy liquid.
Dish soap. Okay. And we've got a couple of little tubs,
And
glasses as well. Now if you can get them with this little bottleneck as well, it just kind of makes the reaction a little bit better. Okay, and we've just got some warm water in here. So what we're going to do is you're going to mix one, okay, and you're going to mix one. Then we'll kind of put them both together and see what happens. Okay, so this is about half a teaspoon of yeast in there. Okay, and that's all we need. So we'll pop that out of the way. Warm water in there. Okay, all I need you to do is just keep mixing it like that. Okay. Hydrogen peroxide.
bits floating in there.
Yeah, and bits of yeast floating in there. Okay. And the dish soap. You don't need too much. Right, swill that for me. Get these out of the way. Move that out of the way as well.
Yeah.
Right. You two keep mixing. Okay, I'm going to reposition the camera or zoom in here so we can see exactly what's going on. Okay, Ryan, put yours down in the middle. Right. Okay, you're just going to see my hands for this next bit. Oh dear. Right, okay. Now these are optional, but they do make it look quite cool. Okay. I'm only using these because I've got them. You can just pour it in. That on one side. This is just normal food colouring. So you put that one aside. Okay. Now you can see why we've got this tray with the bin bag around it, because clean up is going to be a bit fun on this one. Okay.
A bit messy.
Right then, so that's in the middle there. So basically we're just going to add one to the other. Okay? You ready for a countdown?
5, 4,
3,
2, 1, go.
Still coming.
I touch it.
No, it's hot.
It's quite warm. I'm not sure whether you can see it, but there is steam coming off that. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
There.
There we go.
Where's the blue? It
Hey?
looks like a giant
blue.
marshmallow that's
I think
been
the
melted.
blue is under here somewhere. or not.
Is it cold in there?
It's not cold, but
I touch it.
you can touch it. Just, if you do touch it, just make sure you wash your hands afterwards.
That's nothing.
It's not dangerous chemicals, just don't leave it on your hands. There we go. We can use that as an alternative volcano experiment, although we are going to do a volcano experiment in a bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so the science behind it, okay, is the hydrogen peroxide is an oxidizer. Okay, so that makes things react with oxygen faster. Okay, so that would break down and release oxygen by itself anyway. Okay, what the yeast does is it accelerates that process. Okay, it's called a catalyst. It doesn't really take part in the reaction, it just helps the reaction.
Not really fun.
Okay, is it still warm? A little bit. And when
It is basically just.
when a reaction ends up warm afterwards, it's called exothermic. What do you want to do? I don't think it will do anything, but you can try it. That's just displacing some of the bubbles that were already in there. Yeah? So if you guys want to try it at home, I'll put links in the description for
And it's fluffy.
the bits and pieces, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye, it's fluffy.
See you later.